Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss the last part of the rural development, means part B, 6th chapter, rural development. Already discussed in the last chapter, fisheries and horticulture. So rural development. So today we will discuss the organic farming. Last part of this chapter, organic farming. Organic farming is a form of agriculture, or it is a traditional method of agriculture. It is a traditional method of agriculture. So two types of method of agriculture: modern farming and traditional method. Modern farming and organic farming. There are two methods of agriculture. So what is organic farming? Organic farming is a crop rotation. Crop rotation, or it is known as a traditional method of agriculture. It is known as traditional method of agriculture. Now, what is meant by crop rotation? Crop rotation means, suppose you have 2 acres of land. Suppose you have 2 acres of land. In 1 acre of land, we are producing rice, and another 1 acre of land is producing wheat. We have 2 acres of land. We are producing in 1 acre of rice and another wheat. This is 2020. In the next year, we are producing in this land. Means when we are producing the rice, we are producing the wheat, and when we are producing the rice, we are producing wheat, and here we are producing the rice. That is called as a crop rotation. Crop rotation means changing the only seeds. Land is same. 2 acres of land is there. Try to understand. 2 acres of land is there. In the 2 acres of land, this year we are producing this land rice, 1 acre of land rice, and this land 1 acre of land wheat. Next year we are exchanging the seeds. That is called as a crop rotation. This land we are producing the wheat, and this land we are producing the rice. That is called as a crop rotation, or that is called as a organic farming. Organic farming means it is a traditional method, or it is a one method of agriculture or farming to change the rotation, or it is known as crop rotation. So crop rotation means changing the seeds, rice to wheat, wheat to rice. Land is same. 2 acres of land is there. Within 2 acres of land, we are producing rice, wheat. Next year, this year we are producing, this side we are producing wheat, and this side we are producing the rice. That is called as the organic method, organic farming. So organic farming, what are the main benefits are there? Some benefits of organic farming. Main benefits of organic farming improve the quality of life. Improve the quality of life means, now try to understand first what is modern farming. Modern farming means which are using the chemicals and fertilizers. Modern farming means which are using the chemicals and fertilizers. That type of farming is called as a modern farming. And organic farming means crop rotation without using of chemicals and without using of fertilizers. That is called as a organic farming. So organic farming improve the quality of life. Means whatever life expectancy is there. Life expectancy means how long people living in the country. How long people living in the country. Present life expectancy is there 68 years 2 months. India's present life expectancy is there as per 2011 census. India's life expectancy is there 68 years 2 months. So that will improve, organic farming improve the quality of life. Second one, organic inputs are cheaper than the chemicals and fertilizers. Means whatever seeds are there, like chemicals and pesticides. When you are putting the pesticides and chemicals or fertilizers to the seeds like rice, wheat, potatoes and sweet potatoes, that is more cheaper than the modern farming. Next, conservation of fertility of soil. Conservation of fertility of soil means whatever soil is there, it will be conserved. It will not damage. Sometimes, suppose organic farming and modern farming. Organic farming and modern farming. Organic farming means without using of chemicals and pesticides. Without using of chemicals and pesticides. Modern farming means with the use of chemicals, fertilizers and pesticides. So this will maintain the quality of soil. Maintain the quality of soil. Organic farming. Why this not maintain the quality of soil? Maintain the quality of soil because in the modern farming, every day they are putting a pesticides and fertilizers and chemicals. So that was chemical based. That's why that will not maintain. So organic farming, it maintain the quality or conservation of the fertility of the soil. Next one, cost of production or price of agricultural product is organic system is cheaper. Means whatever we are putting the seeds and fertilizers like organic method, it is more cheaper. It is more cheaper, and those are poor people are there, they can easily purchase. They can easily purchase. Next one, it increase the quantity and quality of agricultural product. It will increase the quantity and quality of agricultural product. Why it will increase the quantity and quality of agricultural product? Because suppose we are using the potato, rice and wheat. We are producing the rice, wheat and potatoes. This will maintain the quality or quantity and quality of agricultural product without using of fertilizers and pesticides. When you are putting using the organic farming, it will grow, maintain, or it will grow fasterly, better than the compared to the modern farming. Compared to the modern farming, this is called the organic method of the production. Next one, it reduces the harmful effect on the environment. Means whatever pollution was happen when you are putting the pesticides and fertilizers. When you are putting the fertilizers, because fertilizers should be bring from the sugar industry. Whatever wastage water will come, that wastage water should be come down, and that will happen the fertilizers. So that should be when extracted, smell will not come good. So that is harmful of the environment. Means whatever air pollution will be happen, and when you are putting the pesticides, automatically in the environment will be disturbed. That is called it reduces the effect on the environment. Last one, it increases the opportunity of village peoples. Means it will be get extra jobs or extra labor. It increases the job opportunity of the rural people. Why? Because in the organic method of farming, using more labor, and modern farming using less labor. That's why in the organic farming, in the organic method of production, it will increase the job opportunity. So today we are discussing the organic farming. What is organic farming? Organic farming means it is a farming of the changing the crop rotation, or it is a traditional method of agriculture. Or we are already seeing some benefits are there for the organic farming. Organic farming improves the quality of life. Means whatever the quality of life is there, it will be improved. Like that is called as a life expectancy. Life expectancy means how long people live in the country. Then organic inputs are more cheaper than compared to the modern farming. Then it produces the prices of agricultural production, and under the organic system is cheaper. Whatever organic farming are there, it is some like rice and wheat. I give an example here. Organic and modern farming. When you are producing the rice, wheat and potato and sweet potato, it is cheaper than the compared to the modern farming. Then it increases the quantity and quality of agricultural product. Whatever quantity and quality is there, it will be get more, because in the modern farming we are using the totally pesticides, fertilizers and chemical base. That's why they will not get good quality and good quantity. And next one, it reduces the harmful effect on the environment. Whatever environment is there, it will not reduce, it will be reduced. And why environment will disturb in the modern farming? Because every day we are putting the pesticides, fertilizers and chemicals. When you are eating some chemical based product, like take a vegetables, sometimes vegetable when we are eating, that time they are putting some pesticides and chemicals. Last one, it increases the opportunities of village peoples. Means why it will increase job opportunity of more? Because inorganic method of production using the more labor force.